Hi, everyone. Welcome to How AI Literate Are You, Product Manager, the ultimate self-check for product managers in the AI age. We've got 4 rounds, 20 questions, and only one mission. Figure out if you're ready to build the future or still stuck in the backlog. Round 1, a warm-up to check your foundational AI awareness. Question 1, what is artificial intelligence? AI. Options: A, a physical machine that performs tasks. B, a system designed to store large amounts of data. C, the simulation of human intelligence by machines. D, a new programming language. Correct answer: C, the simulation of human intelligence by machine. Question 2, what is the primary purpose of machine learning? Options: A, to generate web pages. B, to enable systems to learn from data and make decisions. C, to store user data securely, to automate UI design. Correct answer: B, to enable systems to learn from data and make decisions. Question 3, which of the following is an example of generative AI? Options: A, a cloud storage service. B, a chatbot that generates text. A file compression tool. D, a scheduling assistant. Correct answer: B, a chatbot that generates text. Question 4, what does NLP stand for in AI? Options: A, neural language prediction. B, natural logic processing. Natural language processing. D, nonlinear learning process. Correct answer: C, natural language processing. Question 5, which task is beyond the scope of most LLMs? Options: A, answering questions. B, writing code. C, processing audio input from IoT devices. D, generating summaries. Correct answer: processing audio input from IoT devices. Round 2, let's move into product applications and tool fluency. Question 6, what is a prompt in the context of large language models? Options: A, a software update. A developer log. A user instruction or query submitted to the model. Don, a metadata tag. Correct answer: a user instruction or query submitted to the model. Question 7, what is one of the most common risks when using generative AI models? Options: A, low performance on cloud servers. B, misinterpreting file formats. C, hallucinations, that is producing incorrect or fabricated content. Over-encryption of output. Correct answer: C, producing incorrect or fabricated content. Question 8, why are embeddings used in NLP models? Options: A, to create visual representations of text. B, to increase latency, to represent words in numerical vectors for contextual understanding. D, to compress memory. Correct answer: C, to represent words in numerical vectors for contextual understanding. Question 9, how can AI copilots most effectively augment product team workflows? Options: A, by generating real-time backend scalability reports during system outages. By assisting in the creation of QA documentation and synthesizing cross-functional meeting insights. C, by designing organizational OKRs and conducting performance reviews. D, by configuring CI/CD pipelines and deploying Kubernetes clusters. Correct answer: B. By assisting in the creation of QA documentation and synthesizing cross-functional meeting insights. Question 10. What is an API in the context of using AI tools? Options. A. An internal logging framework. A model compression utility. A defined interface that allows applications to communicate with services. D. A visualization toolkit. Correct answer. C. A defined interface that allows applications to communicate with services. Round 3. Digging deeper into core technical principles of modern AI systems. Question 11. What does Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, help solve? Options. A. Real-time video rendering. B. Lack of memory or factual grounding in language models. C. Multi-language model deployment. D. Image classification. Correct answer. B. Lack of memory or factual grounding in language models. By the way, if you want to learn a little bit more about RAG, check out this explained in class video on why do we use RAG. Now on to the rest of the quiz. Question 12. What is model fine-tuning? Options. A. Modifying an AI model to reduce latency. B. Training a general model on specific domain data to improve relevance. C. Compressing large data sets for storage. D. Converting supervised models into unsupervised ones. Correct answer. B. Training a general model on specific domain data to improve relevance. Question 13. Which metric is commonly used to evaluate performance of classification models? Options. A. Frames per second. B. Accuracy. C. Training time. D. Memory usage. Correct answer. B. Accuracy. Question 40. Which of the following is a popular vector database used in AI applications? Options. A. PostgreSQL. Sign A. B. Pinecone. Redis. D. Snowflake. Correct answer. B. Pinecone. Question 15. Which type of model is best suited to generate marketing copy? Options. A. Discriminative. B. Generative. C. Predictive. D. Clustering. Correct answer. B. Generative. Round 4. These questions separate the good from the truly AI-savvy product leaders. Question 16. Why do language models sometimes hallucinate? Options. A. Due to model overheating. B. Because they are trained to maximize plausibility, not factual correctness. C. From GPU rendering errors. D. They integrate misinformation from live data. Correct answer. B. Because they are trained to maximize plausibility, not factual correctness. Question 17. What is tokenization in NLP? Options. A. Splitting input data into manageable units such as words or subwords, encrypting text with security tokens. C. Mapping text to graphical tokens. D. Generating access tokens for APIs. Correct answer. A splitting input data into manageable units such as words or subwords. Question 18. What does zero-shot learning allow AI systems to do? Options. A. Make predictions on tasks without explicit prior training examples. B. Train models without any labeled data. C. Eliminate inference latency. D. Generate vector embeddings in real time. Correct answer. A. Make predictions on tasks without explicit prior training examples. Question 19. What's a major concern when using third-party AI services in a product? Options. A. Excessive UI customization. B. Reduced employee satisfaction. C. Data privacy and compliance risks. D. Dependency on internal DevOps. Correct answer. C. Data privacy and compliance risks. Question 20. What is meant by agentic AI? Options. A. AI built by government agencies. AI designed for customer support. C. AI that performs multi-step tasks independently toward a goal. AI models with embedded legal contracts. Correct answer. C. AI that performs multi-step tasks independently toward a goal. You've reached the end of the AI Readiness Check. Let's see how you did. If you scored 17 to 20, congratulations! You're an AI trailblazer. You're leading the charge, ready to build, deploy, and lead with AI. FAANG-level teams want PMs just like you. If you scored 11 to 16, you're an AI explorer. You get the big ideas, and with some targeted upskilling, you could become a top-tier PM in the AI era. If you scored 0 to 10, you're an AI newbie, but curious. Every expert started somewhere, and your curiosity is your greatest asset. Now's the time to invest in learning the AI roadmap. No matter your score, if you're serious about leading in the AI age, join our free webinar at Interview Kickstart. Learn how AI agents are changing product management. Get the exact upskilling roadmap tailored for PMs. Set yourself up to break into FAANG and beyond. The link is in the description. Register now and start your next chapter.